welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. This is Naresh Sharma, your English teacher. Our today's topic is narration. This topic started before some days. Today we will continue this topic. This topic is for class 9 to 12. In narration, we have completed assertive sentences and interrogative sentences. Today we will discuss imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, said or said to is converted into requested, ordered, or advised according to the mood of the sentence. And conjunction is to. So, example: he said to me, "Please help me." So here there is request. So he requested me. Said to plus please is equal to requested. He requested me. Conjunction is to, and help me according to he will be him. Second example: the teacher said to the boys, "Stand up." This is order. The teacher ordered the boys to stand up. Third one is the doctor said to him, "Take medicines regularly." This is advice. So the doctor advised him to take medicines regularly. It's very easy. In imperative sentences, next type is when the sentence starts with "let me." So said or said to will be converted into requested or begged. Conjunction will be that or to, and let will be converted into might be allowed to. When conjunction will be used that, you will have to change let into might be allowed to. Otherwise, the conjunction will be to, then the let will not be changed. Example number 1: he said to his boss, "Let me go home." So he requested his boss. When conjunction we are using that, me according to he will be he. He might be allowed to go home. Actually, the imperative sentence will be converted into assertive one. That is why me is object, and according to he, it will be the subject of he. He might be allowed to go home. It also can be he requested his boss to let. When we will not change let, conjunction will be to let, and me according to he will be him, to let him go home. The answer also may be this type. Second example: I said to the teacher, "Let me revise the chapter." Answer is I requested the teacher to let me, because me first person according to subject I, and I is also first person, so that's why me will not be changed. To let me revise the chapter. Okay. This is the last part of imperative sentence. When the reported speech starts with letters, said will be converted into suggested or proposed, and said to will be converted into suggested to or proposed to. Means if to is given here, to will be used after suggested or proposed. Okay, sorry. And conjunction will be that. Letters may be converted into we should or they should. With the examples we will understand it. Like he said to me, "Let us go home." Here we will understand where we will use we should, and where we will use they should. Let us will be converted into we should when in the part of reporting work in the place of subject or object. If first person is given, we will convert let us into we should. Like in this sentence, object me belongs to first person, so let us will be changed into we should. So answer will be he suggested to me that. Conjunction let us will be we should, because me is there. Me belongs to first person. We should and go home. Next example, they said, let us have our lunch. Here only subject is given, no object in the part of reporting verb, and they belongs to third person. So let us will be converted into they should only, not we should. They proposed. We also use we will not use to because English said is there. So proposed only. They proposed conjunction that they should have their lunch because our belongs our will be changed according to subject will be their lunch. Okay.